Today, oh my God! You know, some people do take this. They cook, they prepare it as a meal. Good people. And, you know, during the rain season, it's always easier to harvest. Woo! You see, I told you that's so huge. Yeah. The beauty of an African village, good people. Oops! Hello, beautiful people. It is another day. Yeah. How are you doing, my good people? How is the going on your side? Good morning from this part of the world. To be precise, Kenya, East Africa. And this morning I want to tag you along as I go and harvest some cassava. You know, in my previous videos, you used to see, or I used to tell you guys, it is a dry and sunny season here in Kenya, East Africa. But right now the rains have finally come, and as we speak, it rained yesterday and yesterday night heavily until part of this morning. It was raining, good people. And as you can see, I have my traditional tray, this one here. For those who have been watching me for the longest, I think you all know what this is. It is a traditional tray made from reeds and some other traditional sort of ropes. Some do make them from sisal, but these are traditional one. And there is another one that is also traditional, but a bit modernized. Yeah, that's the correct word. So this is what I'm going to use, good people, to carry my cassava, because we are going to harvest cassava. It has been so dry, we couldn't unable to harvest cassava, but right now it is wet. The rains have at least done us a favor. They have come, so we can now harvest our sweet potatoes. We can also harvest our cassavas in a peaceful way, or easiest way. And as we speak, yesterday, as you have seen from my video, from my intro, we were harvesting our sweet potatoes that we usually plant, and basically to sell them. We do as a cash crop. We do sell them out to the city. They're being transported to the city, and they're reused. We usually plant those specific sweet potatoes, as you have seen from my video. If you have watched to this end, you've already seen the sweet potatoes that we do plant, the yellow in color, and they take 3 months to mature so that we can transport it to the cities that are always meant to make or to manufacture or to produce sweet loaves for those people who are diabetic, who don't want sugar, and also they're used to produce biscuits and crepes. So as you can see from there, you can tell our cows are enjoying the yesterday's remains. If you have already watched whatever I'm talking about, this is our grazing field, good people, all the way to the other end. So right now the cows are enjoying the remains of the sweet potatoes, but I want us to go and collect the cassava. My mom already went ahead. She's harvesting, and I think she has already left, and I will carry the part of it. Yeah, she's already at the farm. So let me turn the camera and show you our cassava farm. Good people, this is our cassava farm. To the new subscribers, yo, let me take you a short tour of our farm here in the village, our cassava farm, that is. To my new subscribers, the cassava farm begins from down there. These are the youngest, you can see, all the way to the other end up there. And I did a vlog sometimes back where I was planting this cassava. Yeah, I think for those who have been watching me for the longest, or I will put the video so that you can see or watch. We planted this using our hands. We never used the plow or something else. We did it bit by bit until we were done. This is the youngest, and then you can see those ones that are already the mature ones, the ready ones here, all the way up from down there this way and up there. And here, this is where we already harvested some, but we never wanted to plant. We decided, or mom decided, we should plant some millet. This millet, and we had also some finger millet within, and we have already harvested. You can see we have harvested the finger millet and also the millet. The beauty part of this kind of crop, that's the millet, whenever you harvest and slash it, there is a way you harvest it and slash, you can see it has grown back. Let me say it is a sucker plant. Yeah, I think this is a sucker plant. You see, we already harvested. This is a stalk, a millet stalk. You can see it has already grown back, and we shall wait for it and harvest once again, good people. This is village life. I will still pin my comment in the video so that you can watch how we harvest millet and finger millet here in the village, because I already did a vlog on the same. And here we have planted some veggies, and we tried to plant some kales here, but the hailstone couldn't allow, and the hot sun. Yeah, good people. This is the maize. My mom was like, let's try and plant some maize. We planted it last year and see whether it can do with the sun, but the sun can't allow us to continue. This is our kitchen garden, good people. These other parts, This is pumpkin leaves. As you can see, we have cowpeas inside here. As you can see, these are cowpeas. These are groundnuts. You see, this is basically a kitchen garden, this area. But this other end, as you can see, we are trying to harvest and do away with the whole of this portion. Yeah, we were harvesting from here. As you can see, this is where we were harvesting from, all the way to the other end, you see. And we want it to the other end to plant some cereals, just finger millet, sorghum, and whatever. And Mama has already left. And this is the cassava that I need to carry, good people. This is the cassava I need to carry, the remaining one, because she has already carried some. You can see how bigger they are. You see, good people, how it looks. You see, yeah, it is so easier when you are harvesting this kind of cassava if it is during the rain season. So you can see it comes out perfect. Yeah, very perfect. Another one is over here. You see, very easy. During the rain season, it is always easy to harvest kind of cassava, good people. You know, Mama had harvested, so this one is going to be enough for today. I was just topping up. Yo. Good people, I'm finally done. This is the last one. You know, during the rain season, it's always easier to harvest. Woo! You see? I told you that's so huge. This is the beauty of village life. You see here, I saw something. Okay? In the yard. The cassavas are enough, good people. I need to collect it and go home. Yo. You know, these are edible ones. You can boil them and eat. These are edible cassavas. These are edible cassavas, good people. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm going to come back here to collect more. Oh Jesus. The beauty of an African village, good people. Oops! This is where we get the cassava flour or the brown ugali or the finger millet porridge. Oh, unfortunately, as you can see here, this one is rotten, good people. This one is rotten. It was this one. If you see a cassava looking this way, it means a mole bite it. When a mole bites a cassava, that's how it looks after being bitten by a mole. That's the only disadvantage or challenges of growing cassava because of the moles. They can destroy your crops very, very bad. You can see like this one here. Yeah. And that's how we roll here in the village anyway. Apart from the moles, there are also diseases, but rarely here in the village. But the moles are the ones that are giving us a headache. And speaking of a mole, come, let me show you. My mom killed one here. This one here. You see? This is what I'm telling you. Oh my God, let me show you. This is the mole I'm talking about. You see? This one here. This is the mole. Huh? You see the teeth? Come closer. These are the teeth. It is the one that has been destroying our cassava here. You can see how it is looking. That is the result as to why we have that kind of today. Oh my God! You know, some people do take this. They cook, they prepare it as a meal, good people. And I don't want to mention the tribe, but this is a delicacy to some tribe here or community here in Kenya. But to us, this is going to be a dog feed. Since we don't have a dog, I think it will find those squirrels or whatever. Let it rot here. It has been destroying our crops. So good people, let's go home and finish up whatever we were doing. This is typically African village life. Oh my God! So heavy. Which one has fallen? Oh. Let's go home, good people, so that we can go peel and let it dry. Woo! Again. Oh, these ones don't want me to go. Oh my God. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Yo. So let's go home, good people. See you at home. It is a bit heavy, good people. Those dogs are African village. We are finally here. As I told you, Mama had a second son. Oh my God! Here we are. Mine are bigger than my mom's. So you know, in our tradition, if you go harvesting sweet potatoes or cassava, and you end up getting bigger ones, like this one, they say that you are a lucky and a favored woman. So this is how we are going to do it. You can see whatever she's doing. We are going to split it, and see, we are going to split it. This kind of knife, these are traditional knife. These are no, they are called welders. Wahunzi in Swahili language. They are the ones that make them. Traditional Cedric, what are they called? Traditional good people, I don't know how they are called. They are called in Swahili wahunzi. They are the traditional steel makers, yeah. Traditional steel makers. You give them some metal, they make you this kind of knives that are used for harvesting sorghum, finger millet, yeah. And this is the kind of knife that we use to peel our cassavas, and we shall let it dry for some time, and then after that we can put it ferment for like 2 days or 3. Then we can smash it into small pieces, then wash it and dry it. I think I will pin those comments. I will pin the videos. This is my first time to record this kind of vlog. Keep on watching, good people. Comment, like, and share this African village life. And we are here with Mom. The day was hectic. And we are doing what we love doing. Leave your sweet comment down below and tell me, do you people grow such kind of crops in your home area? But I know in Africa it is common, even in West Africa it's common. Marwa, hello. So good people, as you can see, we are trying to make it quick so that before the rain pours. The rains are coming already. It's going to rain so early. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. Let me know where you're watching from. These are typically village routine. Good people, don't worry, this is an edible cassava. Good people, the rains are coming. The rains are coming. Alo, unataka kupeleka wapi panga? Nakata mhogo. Anataka kukata mhogo wapi? Utakata kichwa au utakata mhogo? Good people, we are caught up with the rains. We are caught up with the rains. As you can see, we need to transfer them to the house. And mom is transferring the other ones that we have sliced. Kuja beki one. We have been caught up in the rain. Enda ndani Maro. This cassava, the house, because the rain has got us down. We are praying for the rain, but right now, oh my goodness! The weather pattern has really changed. Let's go in. As you can hear the voice of the rain or the rainbow. It has already started. So we need to go in the house.